In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive without losing them. If you've ever tried to clean up your OneDrive and worried that deleting a file there might remove the only copy you have, this process will help. The key thing to understand is that files inside your OneDrive folder are synced with OneDrive. That means if you delete them directly from that folder, they can also be removed from the cloud synced location. So before deleting anything, you need to place the files you want to keep somewhere outside of OneDrive. Start by opening File Explorer on your computer. This is where you can view your folders and files locally, including the OneDrive folder that syncs with your account. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to your OneDrive folder. You'll usually see it in the left-hand sidebar, and opening it will show all the files and folders currently being synced through OneDrive. Now find the files you want to keep. Instead of deleting them right away, copy or move those files to a folder outside the OneDrive folder. For example, you can place them in Documents or in another local folder on your computer that is not inside OneDrive. This is the most important part of the process because it ensures you still have access to those files after they're removed from the synced OneDrive location. If you want to be extra cautious, copying the files is a safer option because it leaves the originals in place until you confirm everything transferred correctly. If you prefer to keep things tidy more quickly, moving the files can also work as long as the destination is definitely outside the OneDrive folder. After that, wait until the copy or move is fully complete. This step matters more than people think. If you start deleting files before the transfer finishes, you could accidentally remove something before the new local version is safely in place. Give it a moment, especially if the files are large. Once the transfer is complete, go back to the OneDrive folder and delete the files from there. Because you already copied or moved them to a location outside OneDrive, you won't lose them. You're simply removing the synced versions from OneDrive while keeping a separate local copy on your computer, and that's it. That's the simple way to delete files from OneDrive without losing them. The main rule to remember is keep the files in a non-OneDrive folder first, then delete them from OneDrive only after the transfer is finished.